In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Bank of America debit card to Apple Wallet. This quick and straightforward process will take you only a few minutes and will help you streamline your payments using your iPhone. So let's get started and have your card ready to use in Apple Wallet in no time. The first step is to unlock your iPhone and open the Wallet app. This app is pre-installed on your iPhone and it's where you can manage all your digital payment cards, tickets and more. It's represented by the icon that looks like a wallet with coloured stripes. Once you have the app open, you'll start right in the main view of your wallet. Next, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll find a small plus icon which you'll need to tap. This icon is your gateway to adding new cards or passes to your Apple Wallet. By tapping on it, you initiate the process of adding your debit card to your collection of digital wallets. After tapping the plus icon, you'll be prompted to select between adding a debit or credit card. For our purposes today, you'll go ahead and choose the option for debit or credit card. Once you make this selection, tap continue. This step moves you forward into the card setup process, inviting you to input your card details. Now comes the part where you introduce your Bank of America debit card to your iPhone. You have two choices here. First, for a touch of tech convenience, you can use your iPhone's camera to scan your card. Just hold the card in view of the camera to capture the card number automatically. If you're not a fan of using the camera for this task, or if it encounters any difficulty, don't worry. You can always enter the card details manually. This means typing in the card number, expiration date and any other required information just like you would on a form. Once your card information is in, it's time to validate that the card belongs to you. This involves a verification process which ensures that everything is secure and above board. The on-screen instructions will guide you through this step, and the process might involve a code sent to you by text or email by Bank of America. Simply follow the given instructions carefully to complete the verification. And that's it! You've now successfully added your Bank of America debit card to your Apple Wallet. With this, all your transactions will become as easy as a tap and go, adding a new level of convenience to your daily routine. Enjoy the simplicity of Apple Wallet and happy spending.